abakozi hamwe n'abarukurira kampuni ibirezi rukora shukari eya Hoima Sugar Limited mu district ya Kikuube hamwe na Chenjojo Sugar Limited mu district ya Chenjojo nabo kwita nubwo barukufa abahinji bebikije birukurugamo shukari abarukushanga muri Kikuube. Abahoima Sugar Limited nibetombwitera ba Chenjojo Sugar Limited okwija Kikuube bakatandika okugura ebikijo okurugwa mu bahinja bahire sente zabo okutandika kuhinga ebikijo bo bakahendera baferirwe sente zabo.
I am requesting them, you please develop your own farmers.
Agambire abasabire nabo bagende batandikoho ekibatandikire nayinywe bafuna abalimi babo.
Let us honor our agreements. Let us honor our relationships.
If
at all I pay taxes, if at all I'm giving the farmer, I'm buying at a good price, that is input. If at all you say you claim that you're doing so much, when you're giving me a very bad price, and the farmer is still complaining, that is not input.
Entarezi zitahirwamo ab'ekitongore ky'ebyobushubuzi hamwe n'abebembezi ba district ibire ya Chenjojo hamwe na Kikuube okuzifutura omubazi. Omu rukiiko rwashitama aha kishaayi kya Saatito winyi abahingi nibagira ngu ekirikureetera baguza ebikisho byaba ba Chenjojo Sugar Limited n'okushashurwa kubi.
Kinakorwa amananu genyini Hoima Sugar inakuikara na abalimi barevisinga contract abalimi nabo babe na input yabo nkabo. So have a win-win. Tukiranize ngwe njya kwebika ibyo bintu bane ujya kumusasura wote bayitu nayo ujya kora gote bikaije bitasigara musiri ba driver abakusabe nguzi.
So what the factory will give you the support, will they give you fertilizer, will they plow for you? All those things should be clear in the contract.
Kandi yayongera kugamba mu contract omo kampuni oba factory inakuolekya biki ebyejja kuba nebahanka abalimi oba fertilizer oba sente oba mbibo nibibazwa okulungi.
And also Chenjojo is also having its other plantation.
Chenjojo nayo emisiri yayo.
But if the farmers of Kikuube call it and say, please, for us we are here suffering and we're independent farmers, there is no way Chenjojo Sugar can come and rescue you.
Omurabaterere engaro baitu mutali balimi ba Hoima Sugar tejja kuhakana kuija Chenjojo kubagura ebikaijo murabaterere simu.
Abebembezi abahitiro mu rukiiko bahireye enchwamu yabo.
China agreement na Hoima Sugar.
As long as you have an agreement or contract with Hoima Sugar, you are not supposed to sell cane anywhere else.
I want to say this clearly ka RDC Kikuube and quote me.
Kibaza ka RDC kandi mukimbale eho nkibalize.
Buli bujuranja wanyu kujisa zamu.
Okurwanira abahinji bebikije hagati ya Hoima Sugar Limited hamwe na Chenjojo Sugar Limited kutwireho kandi Hoima Sugar kazo mukoti yatunga ekiragiro cy'urukwikiriza kukwata emotoka yona erukushangwa ine ebikije birukurugwa mu bahinji abinendagano nabo. Gasha kwa Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto.